All right, everyone, this is your pre-lab lecture for the quality of drinking water. And I just want to go over really quickly what you're going to be doing in this lab. So you're going to need 2 bottles of water, one from your tap water and one from another source. This is from my pond. So I'm gathering water from my pond. So as you can see here, I have the Verify Water Complete Test Kit. All right, it's the 17-in-1. All right, so it has the test strips plus, what very important, the 2 bacteria tests. All right, so that's why you had to use this particular test. We also have this, which is the information about how to perform these tests. And then on the back here, this is what we're going to be comparing our water samples to. All right, so you're going to want to keep that. So you're going to take and open up these verified test strips. And it comes in little packets like this, and you're just going to rip it open. And you see there's a bunch of little test strips in there. So just pull one out, and you'll see that it has a bunch of these little colored squares on it. All right, so the next thing you're going to need from your kit is the little test tube. All right, so I'll go ahead and just pull the top off and put either your tap water. I'm going to do the tap water first. And you're going to fill up your test tube. All right, and you want to get it really close to the top here. All right, because you want to be able to get all of those little squares into the water. So you're going to stick it in there for 1 second, 2 seconds, and take it out. It says to shake it. So we're gonna just shake it off, and then we're going to place it down and let it set for 1 minute. Now the rest of your water can just go back in your water bottle or be disposed of down the sink. So let's go ahead and do, this is from my pond. And I'll just fill up the test tube. And you can see I labeled it P for pond. I'm gonna grab another one of these test strips. And just stick it into the water for 1 second, 2 seconds, and take it out, give it a shake, and then we're gonna lay that one down as well. All right, so let me pour this water back in here. And then it tells you to wait for 60 seconds, 1 minute. All right, so make sure that you wait 1 minute, and then you're going to take your first test strip, which mine was my tap water. And you see down here, it tells you this is where you're going to put the little tab, the part that you held the test strip against. So that would be this way. And you just line it up. And as you can see, you can even push it over to match the colors, you know, to see which one of the colors it matches best. And you're going to do the same thing with the second one as well. All right, mine was my pond water. Yours may be some other water source. It definitely won't be my pond. And again, you're just going to read the levels that way. So that is how you test for the nutrients. Then these two are the bacteria tests. All right, so you open it up. Sorry about that, my camera died. I actually already did the one for the pond, but here we're gonna do the one for the tap water. So we're gonna open the cap. We do not want to touch inside the cap or inside the cup, all right? And then we're going to fill it up with the water right to the top of the label. And you'll see it says that is the fill line. You're going to close it and shake it for 20 seconds. Okay, and then it tells you that you're going to let that set for 48 hours and then review the results based on the water after 48 hours. All right, so that's where it says right here. All right, and that is how you use this test kit.